What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Wes Fisher here for another unboxing. I know you guys are like, dang, Wes is getting crazy with these unboxings. Hey, it's the holiday season, guys. So anyway, we got the Kobalt Brushless 24-volt max. This is basically a bunch of tools in one. You know, as some of you guys know, I'm a new homeowner, so gotta start getting my tool game up. So if you're thinking about getting this, I think it's a good buy. I know I talked to my family that said that the cost of one nice Kobalt drill is the cost of this whole set. Yeah, you heard it right. Grab this right now, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, wherever you can find it. I mean, they got it on Home Depot, they got it at Lowe's, it's on Amazon. Like, it's definitely a great Black Friday deal right now. So, let's do a quick unboxing here. If I can get this bad boy open, let's see what's inside. Da, 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 da. All right, so I think this is a what? Six tool combo kit. So let's see what we got here. I don't know anything about tools, so forgive me for what I say. This is obviously a flashlight. I can tell that. So there you go. You got your flashlight there. This is a monster. This is the drill. I actually had some people do some work in my house and they used this exact drill. And I was just like, wow, that drill's powerful. Much better than the one I had. So 24-volt max drill. Let's see, will it stand by itself? It will. All right. We got 2 batteries, extended run. So we got a 2.0H, 4.0. So we got 2 different battery options. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. We got our charging station here. That's cool. Now we're on to our third tool. I'm not really sure what this purpose of this tool is for. I know this is a, what is this? Is this the multi-tool? No, this is an impact driver. I have never used the impact driver, but I know now as a homeowner, I'm finding out I need different tools each and every day. So I'm sure we'll get there. All right, looks like we got the handle for something, I'm not sure what. We'll find out. Oh, this is heavy. Whoa, this is a monster right here. What is this? Oh, this is for the multi-tool. Like you could actually be able to put a blade on here and do some cutting. That's cool. Let's see what else we got here. What are goodies we got? It said 6, but all right, yeah. So this is like our saw. What do they call it? A one-handed saw. That's cool. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's gonna be number 6? Let's check it out. We'll find out what that is in a second. Got some paperwork here. Oh yeah, we got some blades. I wonder what we got blades for. Let's take a look. Oh. All right, that's everything in the box. We have a saw. Don't know the official name of this saw, but we have a circular saw. For me, don't make fun of me, guys. I don't know the name of these things, but look at this bad boy. This is a monster. Yeah, this is a monster. We got the real deal circular saw. We have the blades that come with it. We got the other saw that goes with another one of these multi-tools. Yeah. So guys, this is all that comes in the set. Obviously, I'm not doing a full review because I'm not using these bad boys right now, but I'm going to be charging these up. And as you guys know, stay tuned on my YouTube channel. I'll be posting a lot of different things. I do like these are obviously interchangeable. They all can work with different, Kobalt items, which is nice. And they might even work for the Kobalt weed whacker, lawnmower, stuff like that. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe not the small one. Maybe this big one here will probably work with the other devices. So it also has a little reader on here, you can tell. Whoa. I don't know what that is. Let me not mess with that. You can tell what the battery life is, which is cool. So this has a little bit of juice to it. Yeah, that's nice. All right, guys. So again, if you're looking for a nice starter set, this is a set for you. Like I said, one of these right here, drills by themselves will cost the amount of this whole set. So right now is the time to get one. Go out, get one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.